We are HubDrive. Our vision is to empower people and organizations in HR management.
Hi, I'm James. I'm a product manager with HubDrive, and I'm excited to show you benefit management for HR Dynamics 365. In this example, I'm going to walk you through creating a gym membership benefit that's going to be rolled out to all eligible employees. Before we do that, we need to go from Overview into Settings and look at the policies and the rules. So in Settings, we need to navigate to Benefit Management and then look at the eligibility policies. The eligibility policies are a grouping term for the rules contained within. So here we have, for example, employee age. If we double click employee age, it will show us the eligibility policy. The name of the policy here, employee age, a brief description, so benefits with restrictions based on age, valid from date, which is required, and a valid to date, which is not. And then the eligibility rules contained within. These are 18 years or older, 21 years or older, but they can be changed or added or removed based on organizational requirements. We can also go into eligibility rules directly. If we know we have a pre-existing policy, we can just create a new rule and then we can add that rule directly into the policy from there. So now we need to move from the benefit settings into the benefit creation itself. So switch between the settings to benefit management. And here we have the benefit plans. This is where we create a benefit plan, which is a grouping term for the benefits contained within, in the same way that policies are a grouping term for the rules contained within. The benefit plans are also grouped into benefit plan types. So for example, we have dental insurance. The benefit plan that would go into dental insurance would be employee dental. You select employee dental, and in here we have the separate options for benefits for employee dental. So dental cover comprehensive and dental cover preventative. So next we want to create a benefit itself. And this benefit is going to be a gym membership that's going to be offered to all eligible employees. So if we think about what a gym membership might belong to in terms of benefit plans would be sports and fitness or partner services, for example. So if we create a new benefit plan, because we don't have an appropriate benefit plan for a gym membership just yet, so if we put in say partner services, so the organization has a service partnership with a local gym, and say discount gym membership for all eligible employees with, let's call them Gymco. Here we have the benefit plan type. So here, products and services. And then effective date here, we want to have this effective as of the 1st of December. So it's upcoming for employees. And we can save that. Here we're able to add a country and or region as required. So here we will add an existing area. We'll search for Bavaria. Select that and add, and that'll take a second to populate. There we go. And that means that people in Bavaria or their primary work location is Bavaria, they are eligible for this benefit. And here we can add the benefit directly into the benefit plan we've just created. However, we will create a benefit from the benefits area instead. So save that and we can move on to benefits. So here we have the current active benefits. And if we want to add a new one, on the top ribbon, it's plus new. And in name, we can put in Gymco Gym Membership. And description. We'll put in that this is a discounted gym membership for all eligible employees. The benefit plan here is partner services. Frequency, this is how often a deduction is made from an employee's pay, depending on whether the benefit comes with a premium. A premium is the overall cost of the benefit. So here we have monthly, so the employees are paid monthly in this company. Benefit premium, let's say €50 a month. The employee minimum contribution, let's say it's going to be €30. So that is the amount that an employee is expected to pay on a monthly basis if they opt in to this benefit. The employer contribution, so the employer has chosen in this case to also contribute towards the cost of this benefit. The tax deduction requirement, this is not relevant for this benefit, so we'll select not applicable. And the effective date here, 1st of December. And we don't need an expiration date. The gym has kindly agreed for this to be an open-ended benefit for our company. So let's save that here. We are able to add the eligibility rules at this point for this benefit, and this will determine who will be offered the benefit, who is eligible. So we can add existing eligibility rule, and up here we already have 18 years, but you can search for, say, 21 years or over, and you can add that. There we go. And also from within the benefit, you can add employees. This would be ideal for outside of an open enrollment period, where you have the open enrollment period, January to March, all of the benefits are rolled out to employees and they are able to choose from those benefits. However, if an employee joins outside of the open enrollment period, or if they are for whatever reason unable to engage with their benefits, maybe they're away on a business trip, then the HR manager can liaise with them and they can add them directly into the enrolled employees area of the benefit. But we don't need to do that now, so we can save it. Now we can move on to the benefit rollout center. This is where the benefits are rolled out or offered to the employees. So plus new, and we can name this event, so we can call it benefits for employees and save that. Before we select rollout, we need to add the employees that the benefits will be offered to. So add existing employee, we can click the search function and move this down here quickly. So here we go. We can add all of our employees here and add those. And this will just take a few seconds and it will populate with all of the employees that we have there. And now we select rollout, and it's that simple. You name a benefit rollout event and you select the employees, and then you just click rollout, and then in the meantime it's taking the benefit and it's assessing the rules and policies against the employee digital personnel file information to determine things like age, employee's marital status, for example, and then it will offer those benefits to employees in their self-service. So before we move on to employee self-service, we can click here into benefit enrollments, and this shows us all of the benefits that have been rolled out in our benefit enrollment event. So here we have the Gymco gym membership that we've just created. And you'll notice that for Andrew Barnes here, we have 6 benefits: software license, life insurances, dental cover, gym membership. However, here with Miriam Ducker, we have unexpected illness and surgery, family. the Benefit Rollout Center has determined that Andrew Barnes is single and Miriam Ducker has a family and has offered benefits accordingly. So what we can do now is we can go into our employee self-service. And here we have the employee self-service for Andrew Barnes. We can switch from between my time and leave into employee self-service and then into benefit enrollments. So here we have the benefits offered to our employee Andrew Barnes, and here we have the gym membership that we've just created and rolled out as part of the event. So the employee here can see a number of things to begin with, the information for the benefit, and also at the top here is the business process flow, which will tell the employee where in the process his benefit application is. So we have the name of the employee, the enrollment event, the name of the benefit, and some other important information. On the right hand side, again, the name of the benefit, a description of the benefit plan, effective date, benefit premium, the employer contribution, the employee minimum contribution. In some benefits, retirement savings, for example, the employee will be able to enter a contribution increase, therefore increasing payments into a retirement plan. And here we go, the participation option. The employee here can choose to participate in the benefit or waive the benefit, so choosing not to have this as their benefit. Andrew Barnes here would like to participate, and immediately here we have the submit button. So Andrew Barnes can submit this benefit. And there we go. At the top of the screen here, the business process flow, the employee can see that it's jumped from the employee decision through to the HR manager decision. And now the employee can save this. He can move back onto maybe his employee data, continue to work. And the HR manager in the meantime, if they refresh this, here we go. They enter this gym membership application from the employee. Here they can see that there has been a change on the form. The participation option has changed, and now the employee wishes to participate in this benefit. The HR manager here can say approved, and they can finish, and then that closes the record and it finalizes the benefit enrollment for the employee. Or alternatively, the HR manager here can reject it, and they can give they're then required to give a rejection reason. An option here could be the contract hasn't been signed with the gym, or a number of reasons. However, in this case, it's good to go. So now the HR manager has selected finish. We'll see in the business process flow that the HR manager decision circle is now a solid blue. At this point, the employee will be informed that his benefit has been approved and can go into his benefit enrollments here in self-service, and we'll see that the status reason is currently approved and the remainder are still in progress. If the employee goes to my approved benefits, then here we have the approved benefit, and if the employee goes to the my rejected benefits view, then they'll see there's nothing in there. So if we engage with another benefit for the employee to reject, so we'll waive that benefit. And now the HR manager can go into the benefit enrollments. I'll see the dental cover benefit is currently still in progress. The employee has chosen to waive the benefit. HR manager can then reject it. There we go, the employee waived benefit, and then finish. And there we go. See, that has changed. Go back into the employee benefit enrollments, refresh this, And now that benefit has been removed from the active employee benefit enrollments view because it's no longer active. So if we go into the approved benefits, we have the benefit that's been approved by the HR manager. And then my rejected benefits, here we have the benefit that was rejected by the HR manager because the employee chose to waive participation in that benefit. Now from a supervisor point of view, so the supervisor has been asked by the HR manager just to have a look at their employee benefits. On behalf of the employees, it's open enrollment, it's a very busy time, it's very busy. Now the supervisors just want to have a look at how the benefit enrollment is going, whether their employees are engaging with their benefits in a good manner and in good time. So manage your self-services and then into benefit enrollments. And here the supervisor can see the benefits of their employees that fall under them as their supervisor. And here we go, we have an approved benefit. And if we select this from the supervisor perspective, the supervisor can see the benefit information, they can see that the employees participated and that the HR manager has approved the decision. Most importantly though, the supervisor is unable to update any of these fields. So they're able to review the information and make sure that the employee has engaged with and chosen their option for each of the benefits offered. And so that's benefit management. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.